Cryptocurrency Codex is the only system recommended by the Cryptocurrency Institute that gives members a simple, step-by-step solution for every trader or investor to exploit market inefficiencies for an almost guaranteed profit. It is a comprehensive all-inclusive mentorship package that will hold you by the hand to quickly guide you to making money without the need for hours of research and years of experience. This course promises to introduce the low-cost and low-risk solution to cryptocurrency profits. With this training system, members will learn the one simple underground method derived from sophisticated patterns created by Russian traders to profit immensely from any cryptocurrency, regardless of what's going on in the market. Cryptocurrency Codex is a comprehensive all-inclusive mentoring package that keeps members on the ground to help them quickly and systematically earn money. Their head trader is Pat Kendrick. He is a retired economist, senior researcher and head of the crypto mining and trading division here at the Cryptocurrency Institute. If you're sick of getting normal market returns of 10% or less a year, then you'll want to learn what he has been doing to make money consistently from trading. Here's what Pat describes on his site. I've worked for years in this industry, both from the academic side, as well as theoretical research and analysis, as well as personally monitoring cryptocurrencies in the real world, ecos, arbitrage and cryptocurrency mining. I understand more than just about anyone in the country, like the super rich. The top 1% of elite exploit loopholes in market uncertainties to get merciless amounts of market returns of up to 10,000% ROI with almost no risk. Best of all, we have modified this loophole so that it works for everyday life without much money and without experience. In fact, here are the life-changing results of our students who are first-time investors. People like the 66-year-old Joe D., a retired salesman from Richmond, Virginia. Joe initially invested $7,000 with this method said, "I'm close to $250,000 now." David Smithson is a 61-year-old business owner from Austin, Texas. He says his portfolio has jumped $500,000 in less than 3 months. "I feel like I now have a chance to recover the lost profits I missed in the technology boom of the 1990s, he said. Matthew G. had never invested 12 weeks ago said, "I took my money off the stock market because it did not go that well," he said. "My $35,000 has grown to $600,000 in that very short time." Samantha H., a single mother and freshman, never invested before. "My $7,000 savings rose to nearly $90,000 in just 4 months, she said. Cryptocurrency Codex is one of the few courses about cryptocurrency online that works and is getting results right now. Click the link in the description below this video for details.